Recently I received a community guideline strike for having a link error in my video description. That really sucked because when you get a community guideline strike, you can't upload, post, or go live for one whole week. It came as quite a surprise because in the 14 years I've been on YouTube, I've never received a community guideline strike for a link error in the description. In this video, you'll discover how to correctly add links to your video content, the types of links you can add, and how to block spam links in your YouTube comments. Here are the types of links that you can add to YouTube videos. Subscribe watermark. This appears at the bottom right of all the videos on your YouTube channel. When somebody clicks on the subscribe watermark, they immediately can subscribe to your channel.
To add the watermark, click Customization in YouTube Studio, then click Branding. Click Upload to select an image from your computer. You can place it at the end of your video, a custom start time, or display it on your entire video. After you've made your selection, just click Publish.
Custom subscribe link. You can add this custom subscribe link to your social media sites, website, blog, or even in your video description. Then when people click on it, they'll be able to subscribe to your channel. All you have to do is add this code to the end of your YouTube channel URL. Click the link in the description to learn how to do it. Hey, if you're enjoying the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified about new content like this every week. Channel banner links. Did you know that you can add up to 5 links on your YouTube channel banner? So when people go to visit your channel homepage, they can immediately subscribe to your channel or check out your social media links or website.
To add the links, click on Customization in YouTube Studio and click on Basic Info, then click Add Link. Keep in mind you can only add 5 links to your YouTube channel banner.
Affiliate and website links in your description. When you place a website link in your video description, make sure it's a full URL, otherwise it won't be clickable. If the link is a paid product placement like a sponsorship deal or a brand deal, make sure you check the box that it's a paid product placement. Before you add an affiliate link in your video description, make sure you don't get any errors on that website. I made the mistake with my WordPress website of not updating the plugs and themes, and therefore I got a website error. This ultimately was picked up by YouTube, and as a result I received a strike on my YouTube channel. It was only when I fixed the website and submitted an appeal to remove the community guideline strike that the strike was removed by YouTube. Fortunately, it only took a few minutes for the strike to be removed. Here are some rules about links in your YouTube content. Links that send users to websites that violate the community guidelines are not allowed on YouTube. For example, the link that I used in my video description showed a site error when somebody clicked on it. As a result, I received a community guideline strike. Here are some other things to avoid when putting links in your YouTube videos. Avoid links to pornography sites. Avoid links to apps or websites that install malware. Avoid websites or apps phishing for login credentials or information. Avoid websites or apps that give unauthorized access to audio content, video games, or software. Avoid websites that seek to raise funds or recruit for terrorist organizations. Avoid sites containing child sexual abuse imagery. Avoid sites in YouTube's regulated goods guidelines. Just keep in mind that affiliate content doesn't violate YouTube's terms of use. However, if you massively post affiliate content in dedicated accounts, it will violate YouTube's community guidelines regarding spam. I suggest you read YouTube's policies on spam, deceptive practices, and scams. An example of a video link that might result in getting a strike is a phishing site that steals people's credentials. For example, it might steal a user's banking login and passwords. So what happens if you get a community guideline strike? You receive an email about the strike and it will also appear in your YouTube dashboard. YouTube will also remove the content. If you've already received the warning on your channel, then you receive a strike. As a result, you won't be able to post, upload, or go live for 1 week on YouTube. Just keep in mind that deleting the content won't remove the strike. The strike will remain on your channel for 90 days before it's removed. If you successfully appeal a strike, which I did, then YouTube will remove the strike and you can upload a video, go live, and post content. Just keep in mind that if you get 3 strikes, your channel will be terminated. I just wish that YouTube had notified me to correct the website instead of giving me a strike. It would have saved a lot of stress. Let me know in the comments below if you ever received a community guideline strike on your channel and if you successfully got it removed. How to block links and comments. Do you sometimes get comments from viewers where they leave spam links in their comment?
Here's an example of a spam comment containing a link that was blocked and held for review.
Here's how to block links and comments. When you block the links and comments, those comments will be held for review. So you can take a look at them and maybe approve them or disapprove them. All you have to do is go into YouTube Studio, click on Settings, click on Community, then click on Automated Filters. Check the box that says Block Links, then save your settings. Just keep in mind that live chat messages containing URLs will also be blocked. This setting doesn't apply to the channel owner, moderators, or approved users. Comments containing links and hashtags can be reviewed or approved in the Held for Review tab.
To find comments that are being held for review, click on Comments in YouTube Studio, then click on Held for Review. You'll notice I've got blocked words and potentially inappropriate. Then I can choose to approve them, remove them, report spam or abuse, or hide the user from the channel.
Here are a few other links that you should be aware of. Paid promotion links. If you have a sponsored video that contains paid product placement, you got to check the box that says my video contains paid promotion. When you check the box, then YouTube will show a message on your video saying it includes a paid promotion. Associated website links. This is where you can link to a website that's associated with your channel in the cards and end screens. To do this, you have to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program, which means you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. Click the link in the description to learn how to do it. If you're not a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you won't be able to link to an associated website. Just keep in mind to not use cards to further redirect your website to an unauthorized website. Just keep in mind you can associate more than one website using the Search Console. This includes domains as well as subdomains. So I can associate drossdesigns.com, and I can also associate drossdesigns.com/about. Merchandise and crowdfunding sites. You can link to a merchandise site or a crowdfunding site as long as it's on the approved sites listed on YouTube. You also have to be a member of the YouTube Partner Program. So if you want to link to an associated website, crowdfunding site, or merchandise site in the card or end screen, just select the link option. The beauty about linking an associated website to your YouTube channel is that you can link directly to that website in the cards and end screens. You can also include an image, so when a viewer clicks on the image, it takes them directly to that website. If you don't have that option, just place the link in the video description. Hey Herman, how can I make money from my YouTube videos? I'm glad you asked. Just watch the video on the screen right now on how to get sponsors for YouTube videos. You'll learn how to make an extra $500 to $1,000 each month, even if you only have a small channel.